almost damn at a loss for words, man. Like I said before, I just cannot believe she is so young and this talented.
Selamat datang di channel Atmaja Viral. Jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe agar kalian tidak ketinggalan video-video terbaru dari channel ini. Dan seperti biasa, saya akan berdoa agar kalian diberikan kesehatan dan kesuksesan. Amin. Welcome back guys, kita akan kembali lagi mengamati perkembangan dari The Beautiful Song Putri Ariani. Nah, kali ini ada reaktor dari luar negeri yang sangat-sangat kaget baru pertama melihat Putri Ariani. Nah, kemarin penampilan Putri Ariani di kualifikasi Agate kemarin itu sangat-sangat memukau dan sangat-sangat bikin orang yang melihat ini teriak-teriak histeris. Nah, kali ini ada reaktor yang sangat-sangat penasaran sekali dengan Putri Ariani. Nah, tanpa saya cerita terlalu banyak, link video originalnya ada di deskripsi paling bawah. Yuk kita menonton videonya, let's go guys.
What's going on, family? Welcome back to the FTB Reacts channel. If this is your first time checking me out, welcome. Shout out to my subs and shout out to everybody showing me love. Now, today we have a new artist on the channel. I'm getting a lot of requests about her. All right, you guys are calling her a generational talent. Her voice is amazing. Her voice is beautiful. We're gonna go ahead and check her out. I did a little bit of reading on her. She's from Indonesia. She's 17 years old, super young, and she's actually blind, right? But I love her backstory of she doesn't let, you know, that hold her back in any way in the journey of chasing her dreams. When I heard that, man, you gotta pull up and see what's going on. Without further ado, you guys, let's go ahead and get right into the song. Now, it might be, if it's copyrighted, you're gonna see some stuff over the screen. Pay no mind. Let's go ahead and get into it. Come on.
I have highest mountains. I have run through the fields only to be with you.
Wow.
Only to be with you.
Ooh.
But I still haven't found
Wow.
what I'm looking for. I believe in the kingdom come, then all the colors will bleed into one, bleed into one. But yes, I'm still running. You broke the bonds and you lose a chance. Carry the cross and my shame. Oh, my shame. You know I believe.
Ooh, wow.
Ooh. So far, I'm not gonna lie, her voice is just that, bro. Her voice is beautiful. It's soft but powerful. It has like a certain elegance. It's kind of angelic a little bit, man. I'm truly impressed. For her to be 17 and to have this much control over her range and how much and the power she has here, really impressive. I'm gonna run a little bit of that back and let's keep it going.
My shame, oh my shame. You know I believe.
Tinggi sekali guys.
But I still haven't found what I'm looking for. But I still haven't found what I'm looking for.
Yo, I can't believe she's only 17. She sounds like she's been doing this her whole life and she's a pro. The way she's hitting these notes, bro, and bringing it home, she's literally pulling me into the song. I'm not even gonna lie. Come on. Man.
Dia hampir tak percaya guys.
Come on. Yeah.
What I'm looking for.
Wow guys.
Hold on, y'all. Yo, hold on. Did you see Simon's face, bro? He was, but he didn't know what to do. Look at his face. Come on, check this out. Look. Come on.
What I'm looking.
Damn. Ooh, wee. Wow, they got all 4 judges standing up. The whole room's standing ovation. Putri Ariani.
Simon.
Wow.
Putri, I'm actually speechless right now. Look, you know what? What I was thinking was, first of all, what a beautiful voice you've got. What a beautiful version. And honestly, Putri, this is why I still do this job, for moments like this, genuinely. Because that was so beautiful, and I do want to thank you too, because they don't clear their songs, because I understand there's a lot of bands don't clear their songs, but they cleared this song for Putri to sing because they saw her audition and they knew how much this would mean to her, and I cannot thank you enough, because I think you've just hopefully changed this girl's life.
Sophia.
Wow.
I don't think I've ever heard something more beautiful in my life.
She held it down, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Spectacular. Every note, the feeling, what you were like making us feel, it was amazing. One of my favorite songs of all time. I think this was the perfect act.
Heidi.
You sounded so beautiful, and I thought to myself, this is probably what it sounds like when an angel is singing. Literally.
Thank you.
So beautiful. And I do hope that Bono gets to hear this, and I wish you all the luck. I have a stunning voice.
Wow. Judges show him all love. Perfection.
What do you want
Hold on.
to say to Simon and the rest of America?
I would like to say thank you so much, Simon, and all the people who supported me. You already changed my life beautifully, and please vote for me. Thank you so much.
Good luck tonight, Putri.
Cool. Blown away. I'm almost damn near at a loss for words, man. Like I said before, I just cannot believe she is so young and this talented. Damn near floored me, bro. I ain't gonna lie. The notes she was hitting, the range that she has, the control, the pitch, just everything in her voice itself, y'all. It's truly beautiful, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. I'm not too sure of where she's at now. We'll definitely start following her and see where this goes. Make sure you guys comment down below any information I might need to know about. Y'all let me know down in the comment section. As always, I appreciate you guys showing love in the comments, liking the videos. Until next time, y'all be safe out there. Love y'all. Peace.
Yes, thank you. Wow, amazing sekali guys. Jadi reaktor ini sangat jujur sekali memberikan tanggapannya tentang suara Putri Ariani. Nah ya, keren sekali guys. Dia sangat terkejut dan dia baru pertama melihat suara Putri Ariani. Memang ya keren sekali, dan dia jujur bahwa memang Putri Ariani bisa sebagus itu saat mengendalikan nada yang sangat-sangat tinggi rendah, dan itu gak gampang juga. Itu harus bisa menghandle pernafasan guys. Memang benar. Wow, keren sekali dan amazing ya buat Putri Ariani. Semangat maju terus, dan ya semoga sukses ke depannya, dan ya semoga diberikan kesehatan terus. Intinya jaga kesehatan juga buat Putri Ariani, terus berlatih maju ke babak berikutnya. Alhamdulillahnya lolos lagi. Kami tetap support Putri Ariani. Yuk kita dukung guys, kita dukung, kita support agar menjadi juaranya nanti. Intinya kita berusaha mendukung Putri Ariani. Wow, amazing sekali penampilan Putri Ariani, memang nggak ada tandingannya, amazing. Oke, penghayatan dan emosionalnya selalu kena banget, dapat banget ke dalam hati para penontonnya. Dan ya, oke, dan tanpa terlalu banyak cerita, apa tanggapan kalian? Tulis saja di kolom komentar. Sekian video kali ini, dan jika ada kesalahan kata dari saya mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.